Hello guys, welcome to another strategy learning session in Options with G channel. My name is JR. Today I am going to take you through another income strategy. So we are continuing our income strategy series. We finished the vertical spreads, we finished the ladder strategies, then we came into the income strategies. So we saw covered call in the last video. If you want to watch the covered call video, now the link will appear on top of your screens. You can click the link and watch the covered call video. So today we are going to see another income strategy which is called cash secured put, very popularly called as CSP. So CSP stands for cash secured put. So as the name implies, the put is secured with cash. How we are going to do that? The strategy is a very fairly simple strategy. The prerequisite for this strategy is keeping at least 6 lakhs of cash to take delivery of the stock. As simple as that. If you have 6 lakhs capital, you can sell Reliance covered cash secured put, and you can make a regular monthly income with that. If you want to do it in the index, you can make a regular weekly income also. The index one will be part 2. Okay, means like what I did in the covered call, it will be part 2. The cash secured put will be part 2. So in the part 1, this video, what we are going to see is we are going to sell a cash secured put in Reliance stock. Fairly simple. Let's start. So as I said, the strategy implies that we are going to have the cash and we are going to sell a lower put than the current stock price. Let us see, this is a sensible interface. So let us see the Reliance stock. So today I am recording this video on a 25th of November. The expiry, monthly expiry is already done. So I am doing it after the expiry. So we will see the 30th of December expiry, because the stock you will have the monthly expiries only. So what we are going to do is we are going to sell a put. Fairly simple. There is no rocket science in that. You are going to sell a put. That's all. That is what is called cash secured put. Why it is called cash secured put is you are going to keep the equivalent amount of cash to buy one F&O lot equivalent quantity of the share. If you have the cash with you, this strategy is risk free to some extent, with quotes, some extent. Okay, let's see, means what are the margins required, cash required, and what happens if the view goes right, if the view goes wrong. This video is going to be a very short video because the strategy itself is inherently very simple strategy. Okay, we are going to sell a put. Okay, let us see cash secured put. We will sell a put. Simple strategy for bullish view. This is an income strategy, but the view is bullish. It can be bearish also, but the view right now, what is considered selling a put is a bullish strategy. Okay, we are going to keep the cash with us. And what the sensible has given, it has given a 2500 PE. This is at the money PE, because Reliance, it is trading at 2492, little less than 2500, so it has given a at the money put. The premium is very rich, it is about 70 rupees, so we are going to get about 17,425 rupees. But this 17,425 is not what we are going to collect. Okay, we are going to collect a little lesser. What we will collect is a percentage of the stock. I have already explained in the covered call video. We are trying to get 1% per month as an income for this strategy. That 1% income we will definitely get, because once you sell the put and collect the premium, you are not going to return the premium. Okay, that premium is for you. So that is the income. Keeping the cash of 6 lakhs. Let us see, Reliance is 2500, right? If the stock price is 2500, we are going to sell 1% of the stock price as premium. So 1% of 2500 is 25. So you have to sell a put where 25%, 25 rupees is available. For that we need to go to the option chain. So let us delete this. This is not required, and let us add the strike 30th of December where we are getting 25 rupees. 2450. This is the place where we get 25 rupees. Okay, 1% is more than enough. Means since we are securing it with cash, we should not have any physical delivery margin issues coming up, because we are already securing that with the cash. So 2380 we can sell, or 2400. Selling 2400 is better. This is a round strike and we have good amount of liquidity here, and this should act as a good support. Means the stock price should not be going below that. Okay, generally you can see in December a huge amount of 2500 calls are written. So this itself is a big ceiling. 2600 calls are written. This is another big ceiling. I think the stock is going to roam around this levels only. It is not going to go down here, or it is not going to shoot up here. Okay, so let us sell 2400 put December 30th expiry for 28 rupees and 85 paisa. Sell. No need to see the delta or any other option Greeks. Everything is already built in the premium value itself. Since we are keeping cash, it is having no risk or very little risk. I'll tell you what is the risk. Okay, first let us finish this strategy explanation, then I'll come to the risk part. Okay, so once you sell this, let us take the Google calculator. So Reliance stock is 2500, right? Multiply by how much is the one F&O lot quantity? 250 for Reliance. So that equals about 6,25,000 rupees. So 6,25,000 rupees cash we should have in hand. You don't need to keep any additional cash for selling put. That margin will take from here only. Okay, 6,25,000. Here we are not emulating with future or anything like that. Just simply plain you are going to sell a put, but you are going to keep a cash of 6,25,000 in hand. With that cash, you can pay for the put margin also. Okay. How much is the put margin you are going to pay? You are going to pay 1 lakh for that. About 1.01 lakh, 1 lakh 1,000 for easy purposes. Let us say you are going to pay 1 lakh for it. How much is the remaining? 5,25,000. That is what you are going to keep in hand. You are not going to use it for anything. Just keep the cash for that. Okay. So what happens right now? The stock price is 2,500. Okay, and you have already collected a premium of 7,213 rupees. This 7,213 rupees is a little more than 1% for this stock. Okay, of the stock value. Means the total stock value is 6,25,000, right? Mostly this 7,213 is over 1% of that. So that is what we are trying to collect every month. As I said, the intention is to take delivery of Reliance stock at a lower price. If it does not come down to that lower price, For the waiting, you are going to get paid. What you are going to get paid every month? The premium. What you are collecting, if the stock price does not come to 2,400 rupees, you are going to keep this premium with you. So this is the rent what you are getting for waiting the stock to come down. If the stock is going up, you can still keep the premium. Means it does not matter. You still have the cash, and you every month you collect that 1% and keep it. This is better than putting that money in FD. The FD will provide 6% return after tax, but this will provide 12% return because you are taking certain risk there. So it will have 12% return. What is the risk? Consider the stock comes down. It comes down to the 2400 level and it continues to go down. And you say that it went to 2300. The stock keeps on going down and on expiry it closed at 2300. So in this case, what happens? Your put is in the money, 2400 put is in the money, right? So you have to take delivery. Don't worry about the premium increase. This is very important. The premium can go to 1000 rupees. Does not matter. You are not going to worry about the premium value what is coming. The premium will show a huge loss. But you don't worry about it because what you wanted to collect, you have already collected. You are not going to return it back. And at expiry, you will take delivery of the Reliance stock at the strike price what you sold your put. Here what you sold? 2400 put you sold, right? You will get the Reliance stock at 2400 rupees value. The equivalent amount of cash will be taken from your trading account. After 2 days, you will get the stock in your account. 250 stocks, your purchase price will be 2400. In all this what I explained, did I talk anything about the put premium? No, right? The put premium is irrelevant here because you have already secured it with cash. The moment you have the cash, you don't need to worry about the premium increases because you will be taking delivery, right? When you are taking delivery, don't worry about the premium, okay? So once you collect the stock, what is your unrealized loss? You collected the stock at the strike price of 2400. Currently the value is 2300. So you are losing 100 rupees in the stock. You are starting with minus 100, right? So you are losing 25,000 rupees. Did you realize that 25,000 rupees? No, you have not realized. That is an unrealized MTM loss which you are having on your underlying. You don't have to realize that. If the stock goes up, those losses will get covered. But if the stock continues to go down and you are accumulating more losses, that is where the risk comes. Okay. Then we have to use, to reduce your cost basis, you have to use a strategy called a wheel strategy, which is going to be our next video. Okay. I have already done one wheel strategy for Nifty. I have done it in the Nifty BN channel. You can watch that. I will try to provide the link in the video description. You can watch that video. Excellent strategy that is. You can use that. You can do the cash secured put, and the moment you get the delivery, you do covered call. That is a simple wheel strategy. But I have seen in the internet, in the YouTube, the wheel strategy, many people explain in their own way. I would also like to explain it in my own way, means how I see the wheel strategy and how I will do it. So I will tell you how the wheel strategy is done for the same stock, Reliance. So I have done a covered call on Reliance. I am doing a cash secured put on Reliance. The next video will be a wheel strategy on Reliance, which is combining the covered call and the cash secured put. First cash secured put comes, then the covered call will come. Okay. So we'll do that video. So for this video, you can consider this strategy. You can consider that you are keeping cash, very important. Otherwise, the cash secured does not have any meaning. You are selling a naked put means committing suicide. Simple, very simple. You are selling a naked put means you are committing suicide. You will lose huge money if the stock goes down. And do not short future. Shorting future is equivalent to shorting the stock. Your downside risk is not defined. Okay. You will be making a very good loss in the future. So please don't do that. Just keep the cash with you and you can sell a put on a lower level of the stock. Right now Reliance is at 2500 rupees. You are going to sell 2400 rupees put for 2885, 29 rupees you are going to sell. Your break even is already 29 rupees below the put price. The put price is 2400, right? Where is your break even? You can say that 29 rupees is gone here. Okay. Your break even is 2371. If the stock further goes below 2371, there is no risk. You have to consider that. Whatever risk is there, that is a unrealized loss. You are not going to lose money here. The stock will come to your account at the strike price of 2400 only. But the current market price may be less than that. Did you make a loss? Yes. But did you realize the loss? No. It is unrealized loss. Tomorrow, next month, the Reliance may go to 2600. You are holding the underlying. You will gain a huge money, right? In a longer run, the index heavyweight or a quality stock normally goes up. Don't go for any of the penny stock or some very hot mid cap stock. No. This is a proven stock. If Reliance is having the highest weightage in the Nifty, in the Indian indices, it is for some reason. Okay. The stock is a quality stock. It is a dividend paying stock and it has a solid business and it has a solid management. That is why the stock is having the highest weightage in the index and the price is very stable. You have to do all these strategies, no? Covered call, cash secured put, wheel strategy, all these strategies, do it in such quality stock. Don't do it in IRCTC or any other. I don't want to name the bad stocks, but don't do it in the bad stocks. Do it in a good stock. In my view, what I consider without doing much research, what I consider a good stock is the Nifty 50 stock. There are some exceptions, but take the top 10. The top 10, you can do all this wheel strategy, cash secured put, covered call without doing much research because those stocks are in the Nifty top 10 for the same reason. They are quality stocks. You can do that. Okay. So, we have seen the riskier part. Let us come where the risk is not there, the upside. There is a disadvantage there also. So I have to highlight that disadvantage. If the stock continues to go up, you have sold a put, right? Your view is bullish. So if the stock continues to go up, you will make profit. What is your profit? The premium what you collected for the put, 7,213 rupees. That is the money you will take home every month if the stock is going up and you are selling a lower put. Okay. But a huge disadvantage here is you are not participating on the stock's upside. There is no downside. You are not even getting the downside. If the stock continues to shoot up and you are not holding the stock, you are simply selling a put and eating premium, which you are getting 1% every month. And in a year, you will make 12%. If you are holding the stock and the stock continues to go up, you can make 50% or you can make 100%. Reliance, if last year, if you would have held it today, you would have made 100%. You can see Reliance, they gave the rights issue, right? the partially paid shares. I have got 100 shares of Reliance partially paid. I purchased in the open market. I went and I got some allocated because I had Reliance shares earlier, so I got some quantity allocated. Some quantity I purchased in the open market for a premium. Together I had about 100. So I initially I paid 300 and some 15 rupees or something needs to be paid. So 318 rupees I think. So I paid the 318. Second time they asked for another 318. I paid that. And today, the day I am recording this video, I have paid the remaining 50% because I paid 225% and now I am going to pay I have already paid the remaining 50% of it. So what is the total cost? I have paid 1257 rupees only for the 100 shares. And that also I did not pay together. I paid 25% once. I paid another 25% afterwards. And today I paid the remaining 50%. So over a period of 1 year, I have paid 1257 rupees for 100 Reliance shares. Today what is the price? 2500. Paisa double, right? In 1 year, it has become 100%. Plus, it has given dividends. Reliance has given, if you are holding the underlying, I think Reliance gave 5 rupees dividend, is it? Yeah, about 3 to 5 rupees dividend came for Reliance. I am holding 250 quantity of Reliance with me. So I got a very good dividend for Reliance, and the partially paid shares also received dividend for that part. 50% I paid, right? For the 50% I received half of the dividend. So Reliance pays dividend, it gave right issue, it is a solid stock. What else do you need? I am not telling you to go and buy Reliance. I am telling you that the strategies can be made in such quality stocks. Okay. So paisa double in 1 year, paisa will become double. Coming back for the disadvantage, what I am talking about, because I don't want to go very much out of the subject. So the disadvantage, what I am talking about is, if you would have keep on selling the put in Reliance and collect 1% every month and not holding the underlying, now the stock has doubled. If you are not holding it, you would have got only 12%. The person who is holding the stock doing nothing, just holding the stock, would have got his worth double. But the person who is selling the put and eating the premium got 12%. But this strategy is for eating the premium. Okay. You are securing it with cash so that your downside you are limiting. It means you are not like exposed to a huge downside. You are still exposed to huge downside, but if the stock continues to go down, you are exposed. You are not worried about the increase, exponential increase in the put premium when the stock is coming down. You are insulated from that because you know you will take delivery of the stock at expiry, and you do not need any additional margin for selling the put. That 1 lakh comes from that 6.25 lakhs. Okay, only the remaining money will get blocked in the last week, and you can keep this till the last week. That is why collecting only 1%. Otherwise we would have collected little bit more, but here you collect only 1% because you are securing the entire purchase with cash. If you get assigned, well and good. Take delivery of the stock, start selling calls against it. 1.25%. You can watch the covered call video, means I have shown means how to do it, or you can do a covered strangle also, which that also I mentioned. The covered strangle is also a risk undefined strategy on the downside, because you are holding the stock and you are selling a call as well as a put, but you are not securing it with cash. So the put what you have sold, if the price comes down, the stock will also lose value, the put will also gain value. So we will have double loss there. On the upper side, it is fixed. Here also it is same. There is a downside is there, but since you are not holding the underlying and you are securing with cash to take delivery of the underlying at expiry, you can ignore the downside risk. Unless until there is a extraordinary situation like corona crash or 2008 financial crisis. Such way every stock will come down, not only the stock which you are doing the cash secured put, every stock will come down. So those are all extraordinary situations. Those situations, if we count, of course we will be making loss. I am not telling that this strategy is foolproof. We will be making loss. But 2020 we had a corona crash. Reliance went to 800 rupees. How many people purchased Reliance? There are people who purchased Reliance. I purchased Reliance. I purchased every week. I used to purchase Reliance share, 2 shares, 3 shares, 4 shares. Whatever I had, I used to purchase. Not only Reliance, I purchased a basket of stocks which has gone, most of the stocks has gone 3 times. Some of the stocks doubled. Few of the stocks went 6 times within 1 year, 6 times. So the crashes are there for us to go and do shopping. It is a sale. So you always go and buy stuff when there is a sale, right? The market crash, you consider it like a sale and then you go and buy. That's all. So coming back to our strategy, downside is there, but downside is unrealized. It is not a realized loss. So it is unrealized loss. Eventually those will recover. Is to reduce the cost basis. Once you get assigned, if the stock price is still below, you can sell a higher call and then start recovering whatever value is there. That is simple. To combining these two strategies, cash secured put and a covered call. So that strategy is called a wheel strategy. Next video is going to be the wheel. I hope you understood the cash secured put. I'll give a summary. Cash secured put is having a cash to take delivery of one F&O lot equivalent shares. Example, Reliance stock at 2500 rupees. You are going to sell a put at 2400. So 2400 multiply by F&O lot size is 250. So that will give you 6.25 lakhs. So if you keep the 6.25 lakhs with you, you can sell the put. The put's value is here, means the margin is here. This margin is not additional margin you need. The 6.25 lakhs itself, you can pay this one. Remaining, you will have 5.25 lakhs with you. That 5.25 lakhs is the margin which will slowly get blocked in the last week of expiry. And what is the premium you have to sell? You have to sell 1% of the stock price. Around that, you will not get the exact one. It is around that. And always try to choose a round strike, round number like 2400, 2500, 2300, like that round strikes, because those round strikes are support and resistance. Because the open interest will be high there, it can act as a very good support on the put side, and on the call side the same thing will act as a resistance. Okay, so 1% per month. If you are getting assigned or in during the expiry you are getting a physical settlement of shares, you already have cash to protect it. Take the delivery and then start selling calls against it. Simple. So I hope you understood what is cash secured put. Thank you for being with me. Signing off. This is JR. May the markets be with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video. Thank you.